What's going on, Brooklyn and beyond? Brooklyn Jimmy, brooklynjimmy.com. And some people got a question here. Can the GoPro, this is the Hero 12, can it be used as a dash cam? And the answer to that simply is yes. Okay, thank you for watching. No, I'm joking. Okay, so basically, what you do is you go over here to where the programs, this is in video, right? You come down to where it says create new preset, and you have the looping. You choose looping. Check mark. You can choose your aspect ratio, standard. You know, I guess you can do the 4K, but who wants to do looping in 4K? I mean, I guess you, if you want to, let's do 4K. 30 frames a second. You can get all the options. I'm a linear plus guy with the horizontal lock because, you know, that's what I do. Hyper smooth on, or you can put it onto auto boost. Whoops, go back. I like to keep it on because that way it doesn't zoom in and out. It's just always on. Wait, what did I just do? Go back. Hyper smooth is on. You can do your looping intervals. So it'll loop every 5 minutes. I don't know what max is. Max, say how long your camera records before looping back. I don't know how far that is, but you can do up to 2 hours and then max. What is it going to do is going to keep on writing over. Once it hits that limit, it's going to start over the video and it's going to erase whatever was there before. So if once you hit 60 minutes, it's going to erase 61 minutes and it's going to keep on looping like that. All right. You don't need schedule capture because it's going to start when you do it. Let's see, timer. Set a timer or when you want to get the shot. If it's gonna loop as a car, you know, it doesn't matter. Okay, so that's just the timer. As soon as you get in the car, just hit start. It's not gonna automatically start because it sees you moving, but that's the way you use it at dash cam. It's pretty much just setting the GoPro to loop. All right, hope that's helpful. Brooklyn salute. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and Brooklyn salute. I am out. Okay, and another thing, while you're doing it on dash cam, see how this is at 77%? If you can plug it in while you're doing it, you'll be fine. It won't overheat, it'll never stop recording. Just always plug it in with the USB-C cable, plug it into your lighter or whatever, however you charge your phone. If it's USB-C, same way you can charge the GoPro, so you don't have to worry about the battery dying or complaining about overheating. Even when you pull out the battery and you pull the USB-C charger into it, it'll still run. So like I said, you won't have to worry about overheating or dying while you're using it as a dash cam. All right, Brooklyn salute. I am out. And yes, it does record sound.